where I left off. The frame needed a little straightening. I wedged a 4x4 to the tree in the car to keep the car from moving while cranking with the cable puller. You get the picture. It worked too. I started to gather some parts. Kind of fixed my ignition problem. I searched far and wide and gathered even more parts. It straightened out good. Got everything off. Won't be using the old fenders again. Just the driver's side hinge was ruined. Pretty much everything I need. Under the fender is straight. All this is straight. Lost this, but found another one. The replacement fender is on. The hood opens and closes. Getting the other parts on, somewhat. A rough mock-up. The headlights seem to have a gap around them. Looks like a seal around them dry rotted, but I think that is normal. I put in an external trans cooler. I couldn't get the latch to work, so hood pins. Back before I picked it up. The same one that ruined this car was the one that ruined the SC400. How it sits now.